If I started a business today with no branding, these would be my first 3 steps. Because most people get this completely backwards. They jump straight into logos and colors and without ever defining what their brand actually stands for. In this video, I'll walk you through how to go from zero clarity to a professional, credible brand that actually attracts clients. And if you want to make this even easier, grab my free brand board Canva templates. It's linked right below in the description. Let's get this started. Define your brand foundation, your why and who. The first step isn't visuals at all, it's clarity. Before a single color or a logo, you need to know who you're for, why you exist, and what transformation you help people achieve. This anchors every decision you will make from this point onwards. Ask yourself, why did I start this business? Who exactly I'm trying to help? What problem do I solve that actually matters? If your who is too vague, your brand won't land emotionally. And if your why isn't clear enough, your messaging won't cut through the noise. And if you're not totally sure how to express your brand personality yet, take my brand voice quiz. It'll tell you what your brand voice is within 2 minutes. It'll help you clarify how you should sound before you build anything visual. Once you know your why and who, everything else becomes so much easier. You're no longer guessing. You're building with intention. Build your visual identity, simply and with direction. Now that you know what your brand stands for, then it's time to give it a visual home. Your visual identity includes your colors, your typeface, your vibe, your colors, your photography style, and the overall feeling someone gets when interacting with your brand. And this doesn't have to be complicated. You can build a clean, cohesive identity with just a few core elements. Here's what I recommend when you're starting out from zero. Choose one main brand color and 2 sporting colors. Decide the energy of your brand, soft, bold, playful, minimal. Pick a mood or theme for your imagery, warm, natural light, bold contrast, calm neutrals. Create a simple brand board so everything stays consistent. To make this super easy, download my free Canva brand board templates. You can literally drop in your colors, photos, and your overall vibe, and boom, your entire visual identity is laid out for you clearly. And by the way, I'm planning a live workshop where we'll build your full visual identity together, step by step. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and on my email list so you don't miss the announcement. A simple, intentional visual identity instantly makes your business look credible, even if you're still figuring out everything else behind the scenes. Create your online presence where people find you. Once your strategy and your visuals are in place, it's time to actually show up. Your brand can't grow in the dark. Visibility is everything. Start with 2 places. Your website, even just a simple 1-page site works, and 1 social media platform. On your website, make it extremely clear who you help, what you offer, 1 simple call to action. On your social platform, lean into storytelling, your behind-the-scenes moments, client transformations, small wins, and your unique personality, of course. And if you want to make sure your visuals and your message actually look consistent across your website and your social media platform, grab my brand consistency scorecard. It's a 2-minute audit. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be in the right place in the right time. So show up intentionally in the right places. And that's it. If I were starting a business today with no branding, I'd focus on clarity, visual identity, and presence. Start small, stay consistent, and build step by step. And don't forget to download your Canva brand board templates. They'll help you put everything you learned today in this video into action immediately. And tell me in the comments, which part of branding are you working on right now? I'd love to hear where you're at. Now that you know what to do if you're starting a business with no branding, the next logical step is learning how to actually build that brand kit quickly. Watch Lazy Ways to create a brand kit in Canva right here. Pair these 2 videos together and you'll have everything you need to launch with confidence. Create with intention. See you in the next one.